Jumble Jr. Oh boy! The summer air, the golden sand, the crashing waves, they all make me want to learn some sight words.
What are sight words, Chip?
Sight words are common words that we gotta recognize instantly without having to sound them out. And since we use them a lot in our sentences, they appear often in the books we read. The words the, go, to, and in are some examples.
Maybe we can play a game.
Good idea! Let's find sight words hidden in this beach. Can you help us find the hidden sight words? You will? Awesome!
There's one. It's the. T-H-E. The.
That's right, Maslow. T-H-E. The. Sandcastle is filled with flags. The word the is a very common sight word.
Oh, yeah. We use it a lot, so I guess we have to know it well. Are A and sight words too?
Of course! It's a hot day at an empty beach.
I'm getting the hang of this now. Go. G-O. Go. And to. T-O-2.
Let's go swimming to cool off. And. A-N-D. And. Your turn, Maslow.
The sun and the clouds are up high.
Good job! Another one. In. I-N. In.
I see a fish in the water.
Great job, everyone! And you too, Maslow. Thanks for helping us find the sight words.
No way! Can we find some more?
Sure!
Race you to the next sight word.
Hey! Wait up, Maslow! Oh! Don't forget to keep working on your sight words. See you next time, Junior!